Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to learn how to we set the units in AutoCAD. That is, AutoCAD has a default setting of inches, but in our regular practice we use millimeters, which is So today we are going to learn that. So it is a simple command, that is UN, and you will see units here. Just press enter and this dialog box pops up. Below the type of precision, we are going to change it to 0.00, and below the sign of units we are going to see it in millimeters. So this is that simple, and we did it. Just press OK and then you are good to go. We'll check with a line. See, now we have the lines in millimeters. Just 27. Now same, we'll check it in inches. So again we'll try for UN. We'll go to inches and press OK. Now we'll try. Now the line comes in inches, as you can see that. So it was just it. If you have any doubts or you want videos on specific topics, comment down below.